Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by accessing the service that controls backups. Open Settings, then Google, then Backup, or launch the Google One app. You need your Google account signed in. Once done, check that Wi-Fi or mobile data is active so the controls load. You're not changing anything yet. You're locating the backup toggle and the list of items being backed up like photos, app data, and device settings. Make sure you can see the main backup switch before moving to the next step. Now you'll stop the actual syncing. First, toggle off the main backup switch if you want to halt all backups. If you prefer selective control, open the list and disable specific items like photos, app data, and device settings one at a time. In Google Photos, go to Settings, right arrow Backup and Sync and disable it there. You'll often see confirmation prompts. Accept them to apply changes. Once you finish, the device will no longer queue new upload. Finish by confirming the backup status. Look for messages like no backup or toggles in the off position, then restart your device to ensure settings take effect. If backups still occur, sign out of your Google account or revoke backup permissions in account settings. This forces a reset. If settings won't stick, update Google Apps and clear their cache, because stale app data can prevent changes. If problems continue, temporarily disconnect network access to stop uploads while you diagnose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.